Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech with another short video, and in today's video we are going to do a short unboxing and a quick review about Samsung's Galaxy A9. The phone was launched back in last quarter of 2018, and today we are going to talk about the physical design, the overall build quality, and the price and the value for money, and also if this phone can become your daily driver in third quarter of 2020, and can you compete with the mainstream smartphones in A series. If you're new to channel guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so you get all the upcoming notifications directly to your inbox. So at the back of the box we have 128GB printed 6GB RAM variant, quad core camera, plus we have infinity display, and then we have 128GB memory sign. On top of that, this phone is 4G supported, comes with 6.3 inch of full rectangle screen with 6.2 inch rounded corners. Screen is combination of Full HD plus Super AMOLED, which gives you 16 million colors, quite vibrant and beautiful screen size. Rear camera system is a part of 4 camera system which supports 24, 5, 10 and 8 megapixel, and you can record 4K at 30 frames per second as well as full HD video with the help of 24 megapixel front camera. Guys, this phone basically supports dual SIM standby, and as you can see that Samsung is using recycled material on all these packaging, secured by Knox, printed at the back. If we open the box and look at the contents, first of all, out of the box we will see this packaging, and in this paper packaging we have a silicone case. Then we have a quick start guide with the model number A920 dual SIM. DS stands for dual SIM. Then we have warranty card, and finally we have a regional lock guide, guys. Regional lock guide will explain how you can get this phone unlocked if you are moving out of your region for traveling or for whatever reason. You have to call 10 minutes from your current region to a different region using an international SIM card. Looking at the box contents, guys, first of all we'll have a look at the 3.5mm headphone jack. You don't have to buy extra hardware. Then we have a type C connector, which is USB 2.0 with 1.1 reversible charging. This gives you 18-watt fast charging support, and then we have a travel plug which you can use in UK and similar countries, which supports a 3-pin travel plug. Looking at the overall design, guys, this phone comes with Gorilla Glass Protect 5 at front and back. Then back is basically equipped with a 4-camera system with a flash just underneath that, and the rear mounted fingerprint is nicely placed next to the top. You can use your index finger to unlock your device. If you have small hands, then you will be using your both hands. This phone will definitely grab a lot of fingerprints and smudges, but cleaning them will not be a big problem because of the presence of Gorilla Glass 5. Guys, this phone comes with the aluminium frame, and with the help of Gorilla Glass, the overall body weight is 184 grams. At the bottom you can see a 3.5mm headphone jack for your audio accessories. Then next to that we have a reversible type C charging port, which can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in just under 1 hour. And then we have noise cancellation mic, as well as we have a stereo speaker located next to that. On top of that we have another noise cancellation mic for better quality audio calls, and then we have a dedicated micro SD SIM card slot. Is immediately recognizable because of its quad core camera system at the back. If you turn the device on, you will see a beautiful Samsung's Galaxy A9 boot animation with Samsung logo at the end. If you compare this device with iPhone 8 Plus, you will not find a big difference in terms of size, although A9 is slightly lighter in weight, slightly larger than the iPhone 8 Plus. The overall user experience is great. The phone comes out of the box with Android 8 Oreo, which you can upgrade to Android 9 and Android 10. The phone offers 6.3 inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with a good screen to body ratio of almost 81%, and you have the option of multi-touch. The overall battery size is 3800 milliampere, which is reasonable for a phone of this size. This one also supports almost all connections, for example Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, 3G, 4G, as well as NFC. You can also upgrade the built-in memory on this device with the help of a 512 GB of memory card at the max. The main feature on A9 is its quad camera system, which is beautifully designed to take sharp and crystal pictures. The first one is 24 megapixel PDAF, second one is 10 megapixel with 2x optical zoom, and the third one and the fourth one is 8 and 5 megapixel with ultra wide and deep depth sensor. You can also record 4K at 30 frames per second as well as 1080p at 30 frames per second. Moving forward towards selfie camera, you will not get disappointed with a front facing 24 megapixel camera, which is f2.0. You can take wide pictures and you can also record 1080p at 30 frames per second. There are plenty of other cool features available in the selfie options. You have a few stickers and the tags which you can use to make your pictures look great. And moving forward, guys, if you talk about the overall value for money on this device, when the phone was initially launched back in 2018, the price tag was quite high because the only phone with the quad camera system back in 2018, it has grabbed a lot of attention in the market. However, being in the market for almost 2 years, this phone justifies its value for money. You can grab one of these for just under £200 and you will have a nice lovely phone with a big screen size and the vibrant colors. Guys, with the presence of aluminium frame and Gorilla Glass protection on front and back, this phone is not going to disappoint you, and it's a perfect replacement if you are looking forward to buy a mid-range smartphone with good specifications. Guys, if you are still using Galaxy A9 in 2020, do let us know what color you are using and which storage and RAM variant you have. With the presence of excellent display all around and a powerful battery, this phone is definitely going to justify its price tag. Don't worry about the lack of wireless charging as well as the water resistant part. None of us is going to drop their phones anyway in the water, even though the phones are water resistant. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share your own experience in the comments below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.